Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guy, and today I'll be showing you how to get ChatGPT for free. Let's get started. So the first thing you'd want to do is to open Chrome. Then once you go to Chrome, you search for ozam.com. Once you finish typing in ozam.com, you go to the website and then click enter. You should see like a direct pop-up link, then just click enter. To take some time to load. Now, you can see in the website, so you put in your name, your email, your password, and your phone number. For the phone number, you can put anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be your own phone number because they're not sending any OTP or any verification code. So I advise you to do that. Just put any random digits that you want. So like after you have finished putting your phone number on your details, you are going to click on the register button. Sorry, my network. Going to have to register. Yes, you see, we have successfully signed up. You're going to click on the ChatGPT Plus button, and then you're going to copy that email. Now you're going to go to your ChatGPT app if you're on Android, or if you're on mobile, you go to the chatgpt.com. I'll open my ChatGPT app, and as you can see, it's taking some time to load. So as you can see, I don't have any ChatGPT account. So you want to click on the login button. Once you've clicked on that, it will tell you on the Android app, it will tell you to open it. So I'm just going to open this in Chrome, and there you see. So you paste in that email that we copied earlier. So you just paste. Then you click continue, and then you hold on. Just give the thing a while to load. Just hold on. Then you go back to the ozam.com, and then you see a password. You also copy that password. So once you copy that password, you also paste it, and then you click continue, and then just wait. In the meantime, you can choose to save the password if you want to sign into the account again. So you just hold on. Sorry, just hold on. And see it's trying to log into the account. As you can see, this is where you get the verification code, because if you want to sign in, you have to get a verification code from the website. So once, see, all this paying stuff, you don't have to do it. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything at all. So all you do now, you see they're requesting for the code. So you go back to the ozam.com and click this link to get the verification code. After this, you copy the verification code. Once you've copied it, you just go in, and then wrong page. Yes, this is the page you're looking for. So we just go and paste it there, and then click continue. And then after a while, this should redirect you back to your regular ChatGPT, and just give it a while to finish putting, and just give the while signing in, and you can see it's loading. Sorry, just give it a while. Sorry about the wait. My network is like very bad. So as you can see, I have to, let me just try again. And yes, as you can see, now you can see that this is saying personal. So you want to click on that personal button. This side here, you want to click on it. See, this is just a regular account, it's not the plus. So you click on this personal button, you go here, and then you switch to this team. It's in this team that the plus is. As you can see, these are all the models available on ChatGPT Plus. But and the disadvantage of this is that, as you can see, other people are also using this account as well, because this is like a team group account. So what you'd want to do is activate this temporary, because this see, this is ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus subscription. You can see the email and everything. So like this account is not like, in order to ensure that people don't access what you are doing, it's best to activate this temporary chat so that people will not be able to see what you are doing. So other people will not be able to access what you are doing. As you can see, it's working. So it's best you activate that temporary chat. See, it's working. See, this is other people who are using this thing. Relax and don't worry. Other people cannot use this to hack your account or anything. To be completely and perfectly safe. So, like, I'm just going to run a quick prompt to create an image of Superman riding a car. See, as you can see, it's saying getting started. Now, if you're not on ChatGPT Plus, after seeing this getting started, you say many people are trying to that it is trying to process the image, and many people are processing right now. So this may take a while, but because we're on the plus, it will do almost instantly, and it will be very, very fast. Oh, I can't generate this image based on the violate the content policies. Could you? Okay, it seems that we can't generate of that because of copyright stuff. But let's try and generate another image. Okay, let's say I create an image of a Pixar style character in Paris. Um, style animated character in Paris. Okay, so just let me type Paris and then just hit send. Then saying sending, it's going. Oh, it has already gotten started. See, these are other people's chats that are also using the distance. You can see it has so let's just go back to our image and just ignore that stuff that is showing below. It doesn't mean anything. So as you can see, the image has successfully been created. See, see, the image has successfully created, and you can now download it and save it. See, the image has successfully been created and done. Now, if you don't like this method, you can also try create multiple Google accounts because that will allow you to have multiple uploads. You might not get access to models, but things like image generation that you can only do 3 times in a day, you're able to get more chances to do that. So that's all we have for you in today's video. Thanks for watching. I want you guys to subscribe to How To Guy and to recommend our videos to other people. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys in my next video.